Hydrograph analysis 1. This topics is, the first topic is the unit hydrograph. Okay? How to construct or develop the unit hydrograph. What is the meaning of this? Unit hydrograph is defined as the direct runoff hydrograph or DHR, resulting from 1 inch or 1 centimeter of the excess rainfall, generating uniformly over the drainage area with a constant rate for an effective duration. Okay, so it's connect to two parts. One is the drainage area and the effective duration of rainfall. The unit hydrograph is it's a simple linear model with the basic assumption. The first assumption is excess rainfall has a constant intensity, okay, with the one duration. And the second is excess rainfall is uniform distributed for the whole drainage area. The third, the base time of the direct runoff hydrograph for given duration is constant. And four, the coordinate of the all direct hydrograph should be DHR. Direct runoff hydrograph are proportional to the total amount of the direct runoff. And fifth, the hydrograph reflects the unchanged characteristic of the watershed. Okay, so based on so this is for the fixed base time for the assumption assumption 3. Okay, for the assumption 3, for the base time is fixed, and for assumption 4 is coordinates are proportional to the total amount of different of if we have 3 volumes, so we add up 3 volumes together. And concerning the assumption, so when we want to apply the unit hydrograph method to the catchment, so we have to, the first is to select the storm should be a short duration, because to keep the intensity of rainfall is constant. If a longer duration, the intensity of rainfall is vary. And the second area had to be divided to small area, we call it sub area, because based on assumption is because of assumption is uniform distributed on the whole area. Okay, so we assume that for the small area, the whole area is covered by the same rainfall. And the fifth and the third, the base time is uncertain, but is depending on the method of base force separation. Fourth, the principle of the superposition and proportionality I assume. Okay, for the fifth and the fourth assumption and the fifth assumption, unit hydrograph is considered unique for the given watershed and invariable with respect to time. So it doesn't change with time for the unit hydrograph. Okay, to construct the construction step, the first is we have to separate the bed flow from the stream flow to get the runoff. So if you have this hydrograph, so you have to do like bed flow separation. This is the Q bed flow, Q for Q, and this at the top is Q total. So we have to separate the bed flow from the total flow. So we got this in this hash area is we call Q dot direct runoff hydrograph. Okay. And the next, calculate the volume of the direct runoff is from summation of flow time step. Okay, and calculate the depth of the direct runoff And we divide the direct runoff with the depth in step 3 to receive the, after we got the depth, we divide the whole coordinate of the unit graph with the depth. And the fifth, we repeat the step 2 to 4 again to check whether the depth is 1 centimeter or not. Okay, that is the, so it means the depth of the flow is equal to, if we do the depth of the flow, if we summation of the Q to get the volume and divided by area, so we got the depth of the direct runoff hydrograph.